How to create a business Facebook page. For that, first of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then at the bottom right corner, you will see menu icon. Simply tap on it and scroll down. There you will see pages under your shortcuts. Simply tap on it and select create. From here, hit on get started. Give a name to your page and tap on next. Search for the categories and again hit on the create. You can add your bio, contact details and location as well. And at last hit on the done and your business Facebook page will be created. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.